when you are sad for any reason, it may be. So, what you are doing, that you are improving your fluency. In spoken English, fluency is really important. When you do practice, continuously practice, what will people say? Just leave it. Just do it. 4th July.
Independence Day.
4th July.
Yes.
Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Time Block. Abdul Nur Khan, South Korea. Today my guest is David English.
Hello.
Well, today I'm making two different video. I will talk with David English randomly. I will try to know about David English. He was my professor. He's still his professor, but he's my friend. Whatever. So let's see. David English.
Yes.
Today, welcome to Time Block.
I'm disheartened to be here.
It is not good. You should not say. However, how are you, David?
I'm good.
Okay. Today I will try to know about you, and this video will be uploaded Time Block.
Okay.
Actually, you are American, and my viewers maximum they are from Bangladesh, and they really want to know about professor opinion, professor thinking. So, David, I want to know when you are happy, what you are doing that time.
I'm generally happy. I'm happy when I'm traveling.
Okay, so travel makes David happy. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, and when you are sad for any reason, it may be. So, what you are doing that time?
Probably eating.
Eating.
Yeah.
So when David is feeling sad, he is eating more and feel happy. Well, David, what is your passion?
My passion?
Yes.
I don't know if I should say that.
When you are free, what do you like most?
What do I like most?
Yes. Maybe eating, maybe traveling, maybe gossiping with your friends. I think it may be happen.
I would say traveling. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And David, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburgers.
Hamburger? Okay, David favorite is burger. American people, they really love burger. I also love burger.
Yeah.
David, you know, a lot of people, their dream country, America, USA. My dream country also USA. But you are American, you are lucky because you are American. So what is your dream country?
My dream country. That's a tough one. I don't know.
You don't know. South Korea, you should say South
I
Korea.
like living here.
Okay.
I'd say my dream country is anywhere where there's lots of girls and lots of booze.
Okay. So, which country you want to travel?
I want to travel through Europe and Eastern Europe, and I want to go to Indonesia and Malaysia. Someday I'd like to get down to both either or Australia or New Zealand, probably New Zealand.
Okay.
I know I worked with somebody from New Zealand previously, and I've heard New Zealand's very beautiful.
Well, David, if I ask you what is your, in your country, USA, America, biggest festival?
I would say 4th of July.
4th July.
Independence Day.
4th July.
Yes.
Okay. So 4th July is Independence Day in USA,
Yes.
and that time they were making fireworks.
Yeah. Yeah, we shoot fireworks at people.
Okay, that's interesting. And if I say, if you share something about your culture, yeah,
Interesting, my culture?
yes. Which culture, but in your culture, which you like most, or which you attract more? Like in Korea, Chuseok, Solal. In my country, Eid, Ramadan. So in your country,
In my country, I'd probably just say, in general, summer. because in the summer it stays light very late because
Okay.
we're on daylight savings time, and it allows you to go out and to, with the longer days, to travel more and do more things during the summer, and that's why I like going home during the summer.
Okay, that's really great. One interesting thing, I think we are happy, we are really good. We have no any disability like our hand, our leg, and our eye, everything we are okay. We have to say Alhamdulillah or pray for Allah for this.
Yes.
But what do you think? Who are really disability person, who are blind, or who has no leg? What is your thought there?
Well, I had a friend a long time ago who was blind, and they got along pretty well.
Okay.
They tend to adapt pretty easily
Okay.
in the end, so I think they have other special gifts that people like us don't have.
Okay. So we have to really appreciate for this. Yes, we are good now. We don't have any disability. Okay, David. I am just talking with you randomly because I want to improve myself also, because you are native speaker. I am not native speaker. I am going to motivate it because he's my professor. So if I talk a lot of foreign countries, I can learn something, I can get some ideas, and you also get some ideas. So, and it will be brainstorming. So you will be the people who are watching me, you can give a lot of comments which topic I can do discussion. So let's see, whatever I am doing wrong or good or bad, nothing. David, what is your wish for time block?
To blow up.
Blog? Okay, so you should say like, comments, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, blow up.
So
Bye.
bye. Korea. Today I am making today difference video. First time I am making this kind of video. I want to make spoken English. Well, for few reasons I want to make this kind of video. First of all, I want to improve myself through this video, and I have noticed maximum viewers of my YouTube channel, they're too young and they want to come abroad for higher study. And if you want to improve your spoken conversation, and if you want to come abroad for higher study, you need English. So it is so much important. And if you do IELTS exam, so it is also need spoken English. But if you want to improve your spoken English, you need partner. Since I am living in South Korea, I have a lot of foreign teachers and a lot of foreign friends. So it is easy for making this kind of video, and I will get a lot of partners. If I do this kind of video, I will get also ideas from different countries people, and I also can improve my proficiency of English. And I want to say, you guys, I am not native speaker. If I do any wrong sentence, disorder sentence, grammatical wrong, please take it easy. I am learner and I am learning from this video. And I am going to you guys who are too young and want to come abroad or Kingdom University, I am going to you guys some motivated, some ideas from different countries of people, and it will be so helpful for you guys. Today my guest is David English. And please take it easy and do comments which topic I can discussion. I have a lot of foreign Nepali, Vietnamese, Indonesia, Korean, American, a lot of friends and teachers. So I will make this kind of video every month. One video will be like this. So it will be so good to learn. It's my thinking. So you also give a lot of comments. It is good or not, and you can give also you can give topic, which topic I can discussion next my partner. And every month I hope if you support me, I will do. You are doing practice spoken English, you need partner. Partner is so much important here. When you are talking with your partner, maybe your sentence is wrong, your word meaning is wrong, your pronunciation is wrong, leave it. You are learning, you are improving your fluency. In spoken English, fluency is really important. When you do practice, continuously practice, then you can understand spoken English is improving day by day. And when you are doing these tasks or anything tasks, what will people say? What will people say? Just don't care. If you think what will people say, you cannot do anything. So just start, do practice, and inshallah you will succeed after you practice. And you need patience. What will people say? Just leave it. Just do it.